We are OES Solutions. You can find us at OES-store.com or www.oes-solutions.com. This is the procedure to recover from improper installation, giving you blank or half blank copies. First, you need to make sure that the toner is properly installed in the machine. Then press the system menu counter button. Notice there are one of 5 screens. I scroll to the last screen and select adjustment maintenance. There are now one of 4 screens. I go to the last screen and select service settings. It's now asking for the username and password. The last 2 digits of the machine model number on this one is a 3655, so the user login name would be 5500, password 5500, and login. On this screen it says developer, and then it says perform this function after replacing the developer unit. We're going to perform this function now because it did not properly cycle for 10 minutes at startup. I would press start, it would then run for 10 minutes, and it would properly add toner to the machine. At that point, you would then turn the machine off, turn it back on, and you're now copying correctly.